Want your Wix site indexed in under 24 hours? Follow these quick steps. Step 1. Verify your domain in Wix and connect to Google Search Console. In Wix, go to Settings, SEO, then Site Verification. Copy the verification code and paste it into Google Search Console, then verify. Step 2. Submit your sitemap by adding /sitemap.xml to Search Console's Sitemaps tool. Then identify key pages and click Request Indexing for each important URL. Use URL inspection for priority pages and request indexing one at a time. Make sure pages are crawlable, remove any noindex tags, and enable the XML sitemap. Boost crawl priority with internal links and a fresh content update on priority pages. Watch the before and after timeline. Unindexed, requested, then indexed, often within hours. Quick recap: verify domain, submit sitemap, request indexing, fix crawl issues fast. Ready to get indexed? Open your Wix dashboard now and start. Subscribe for more Wix SEO tips.